Hello, so this is a FIRE Belgium Meetup. I thought I would take a short video so that you can see what's going on. Actually, today TV is here, so they're filming. But basically, this is what we do now. We just meet and we talk. And people have conversations around money, investing, saving, financial independence, and they exchange tricks and tips and strategies. Basically, we break the taboo of money, and we learn together. We learn to take control of finances. We learn to save more, earn more money if we can. It's hard, but we do. We spend time trying to understand where the money is going. We spend consciously, and we learn to invest, and then we plan for financial independence. We think about strategies to manage financial independence, and all of that really to just build a life that we love. Money is a really great tool for living a good life, and if you can master money, life is incredibly easy. And if you don't know anything about money, life can be incredibly hard. So we're here because we want to build good lives so that we can basically live more and give more and make the world a better place. It's kind of a bit of a hippie mantra, but it really works like that. So so come to the next meetup, meet people and talk about money, learn new stuff. Whether you don't know anything about FIRE or if you're just new to it, it's perfect, because then you get to learn about a lot of stuff. And if you're already familiar with FIRE, or if you're really well on your way, then it's nice to come to talk to other people who are like-minded. They could become lifelong friends, but certainly you can exchange, learn from others, and maybe share some of your knowledge and wisdom and help others. So that's what we do. I hope to see you. I guess if this is an advertisement for the meetup, then I hope to see you at the meetup. And if it's not, then I hope to see you on the next one, whatever. Right, that's all. Take care and see you soon. Cheers.